Okay, hi everyone. So our today's presentation is on Pinterest. Pinning your interests. So to start off, what is Pinterest? So Pinterest is a social media website that lets you pin your images you might be interested in. So these images can include recipes, ideas, outfits, quotes, designs, music, and much more. And how to use Pinterest. So Pinterest is available on your computer, your laptop, your tablet, and pretty much all the devices. You can download Pinterest on your mobile device by visiting your App Store or Play Store. So App Store in Apple devices and Play Store in the Android devices, and search up Pinterest. And on your computer, you can just go to Google and search www.pinterest.com, and it'll lead you to their website. So this picture here, you can see that's their homepage. So to use Pinterest, you have to create an account. So to create an account, you click on sign up. So when you go to your homepage, you just click on sign up and it'll take you to this. So if you have a Google account, you can click on continue with Google. So at the bottom here, you can see that option. And if you have a Facebook account, you can click on continue with Facebook. So this blue option here. And if you would like to create a new account that isn't connected to your Facebook or Google accounts, you can just type in your email. You can create a password and add your age. And once you're done, you can just continue. So yeah, so once you log in, you will see an image like this show up on your page. If you would like to change your name, you click on the pencil icon, which I will be going over after. You can see it here. And so you type in your preferred name and you click submit, and your name will be changed. And you click next once you're done setting up your account, to finish setting up your account. Now, once you're signed in, after setting up your account, you will be directed to your home page. So this is your home. You can now look at all the images you find interesting. At the top, Pinterest will tell you how to get the most out of Pinterest. So here you can see, welcome Princess Kaza. Here's how to get most out of Pinterest. So to get the most out of Pinterest, you click on a picture you like. It will lead you to a bigger version of the picture. And here you can find the name, just the description of the picture. You have an option to download the picture. You can look at all the comments from the picture, and you can look at the author of the picture. So here you can see, here's an example. So in this case, the name of the picture is called Boasty Brown. So here is the name. And then it gives you a description of the picture. So here you can see description. So the description is, this bedroom boasts classy brown tones, photo by this person, and it has a bunch of hashtags. So that's the description of the picture. Here it says Revival Rugs. So that's the person who posted the pictures. And you can also see how many followers the person has. You also have an option to follow the person. So I'll be going over that later. And you can also read the comments. So you can add or read the comments if you click on this downward arrow button. And after you click on the picture, you can also save it for later. So yeah, so you can click save. So the saving option will be on the top right corner. So here you can see in this picture, the options right here, the red option. And clicking save is how you will pin your images. So pinning your images and saving them is the same thing. Yeah, so once you click save, you will see this option. So it'll take you to this page. And here it'll tell you to create a board. So if you have a new account and you're saving the picture for the first time, it'll ask you to create a board. So your board is like your own pin board. So like a folder, I guess, a pin board where you have all your pictures together. So to name your board, you then click on, so you name your board. So here you can write names. It also gives you suggested board names. So here you can see bedroom design, bedroom makeover, and you click create once you're done. The listed words are some suggested names for your board. So here's a tip to name your board related to the picture, for example, bedroom ideas. And you can also create as many boards as you like. So there's no limit to the amount of boards you create. And at the top of the screen, at the top of your home page, this is how your, like, I guess, taskbar kind of will look like. So from the left, you can see the Pinterest logo. There's the home page where you will find all the different pictures that your friends are posting or the ones Pinterest suggests for you. Then you'll see today. So this will show you today's new ideas by people. There's the following option where you can find the pictures posted by the people you follow. So you have an option to follow the people. And you can see this long search bar where you can search for different ideas, accounts, and many other things. There's on the right here, there's also this icon. So it's like a bell. And this icon is your updates. So this is where you will be notified with different things such as trending topics, or Pinterest has a suggested new board for you, and all your updates will basically be there. There's also this text logo option. This is your inbox. So you can message your friends or families who have Pinterest from here. So you enter their name or email, and you can just message them. So in your inbox, so when you go to your inbox, you'll see this pencil icon. So you click on that and you can start messaging someone. So when you click on that, it'll show you a box like this. So you just simply search for their name and leave them a message. And at the right-hand corner, you can see this person logo. So this is your profile. So this is where, like, you'll see your profile. So the people you follow, your boards, your pins, and your posts. So if you click on the profile logo, profile button, you can see this is how it'll look like. So it'll show you your name. It'll show you the number of people you follow. So if you click on it, you can see the list of people you follow. So you just have to click on that and it'll show you all the accounts you follow. You can see your pins here. So all the pictures you have saved. So those are your pins. And you can see your boards. So by clicking boards, you can see all your boards. So all those folders you made. How to create more boards. So to create a board, there are two ways. You can either go to your profile and you will see this sign at the right-hand corner. So you will see a plus sign like this in your profile. So this is not your profile. And you just click the sign and click on board. Or you can go to your home page. You can save a picture and this will show, and you can just click on create a board. You can also save a picture on the same board. So for example, this picture is a bedroom. I can pin it on my board called Bedroom Inspiration. So previously we made a brown bedroom board called Bedroom Inspiration. So I can just add the same picture to that board. So you don't have to create a new board every time you save a picture. And also, just to note that all your boards are public, so other people can see it and follow it unless you turn on the private option. So if you would like to keep your board private, you have to go to your profile. You have to click on the board you'd like to make private. You have to click this pencil icon. So this is edit your board option. So this is how edit your board will look like. You scroll down and go to settings. And here's an option, keep this board secret. So only you and collaborators can see it. So you click on this button and make it, just turn it on. And after you're done, you click done on the bottom right corner and you're done. Also, in the edit your board settings, you can edit more things such as categories, descriptions, adding people into your board, can delete, archive, or merge. So here you can see category. You can also add a date if you want to plan. You can add collaborators. So basically share your board with specific people. Keep this board secret, and you can also personalize. And here you have the delete, archive, and merge option at the bottom. So how do you post an image on Pinterest? So to post an image, you go to your profile, and on the right-hand corner, you'll find a plus sign like this. You click on pin, okay? It'll take you to a page like this in the right here. So you can add the title, the name of your image. You can add a description about your image, and you can also add a link. So if you want people to go to a certain website, when they click on the picture, you can add the website here where it says add a destination link. So you can upload your image. So you can upload your image. You can just drag and drop it. So you click on this square option, you click on it, and it'll take you into your computer settings. Or you can save an image from the site. So to add an image you found on the internet, you copy the link. So you go to the image, you right click on the image, and you will have an option that says copy image address. The link will be copied, and you just have to go paste it on save from website, or you can just drag and drop from your computer. So how do you follow boards? So you can follow other accounts' boards on Pinterest. As I mentioned before, you can choose to keep your board private or public. So if there are public boards out there, you can just follow those boards. So if you like their board, you can follow it by clicking on a picture. At the very bottom, you will find like an option like this. So the person's name, and they saved that picture to bedroom. So bedroom is the name of their board in this case. And you click on the bedroom, you click on bedroom to see their pins, and it'll show you something like this, and you just click follow. Another way to follow the boards is by searching the account. So you click on see all boards. You click on the board you'd like to follow, and you click follow. So it'll take you to their board. It'll take you to the person's profile, and you can just click follow. You can also follow accounts. So following accounts is as the same as following boards. So if you like an account, you can follow it by clicking on a picture. Yeah, so following the account is same as following boards. So it's the same process. You just have to go their name and follow. Another way to follow an account is by searching the account. So as I showed before, there was a huge search bar at the top of your homepage. You can search an account there, and you can follow person. So here you can see you have the follow option here. So settings. So from settings, you can edit your profile and add more information about yourself. For example, profile picture, names, and location. So this is how your profile looks like. So you can add a photo, your first name, last name, if you want to edit those. You can change your username, You can tell about yourself more. You can tell your location. So a bunch of other options. So account settings, claiming, notifications, privacy and data, security, and apps. So the account settings. So here, there's the account settings option. So when you click on account settings, you will be able to change your password, change your email address. You can change the language, change country. You can convert an account. So converting an account is you can convert it into a business account. So you will keep your boards and pins and switch to a business-only account. You have an option to deactivate your account, which is hiding your, like temporarily closing your account, or you can just close an account permanently. So you just delete it. So more settings. Some of the other settings include claim. So you can connect content directly with Pinterest. You have notification settings. So you can decide what you want to be notified with. So like messages from people, followers, emails, etc. Privacy and data. You can hide your account by checking search privacy. And you can also personalize your account based on your privacy. So here you can see hide your profile from search engines. So for example, Google. So if you want that option, just click on the check mark. Security. You can make your account, so like you make sure your account is protected. And apps. It helps you keep track of everywhere you have logged in using Pinterest. Now I will be giving a live demo on Pinterest. So here is my Pinterest homepage. So yeah. So here I have the login option or sign up. So if you're making an account for the first time, you have to sign up. Okay, here are all the different options you can sign up as. Since I already have an account, I will be logging in. So I am just going to log in. Give me a second. Okay, so here I have logged in and this is my account. So as you can see, so this is my homepage. So here's the Pinterest logo. We're on home right now. You can see all the today's pics. So this is like today's inspiration. There's a bunch of things here. So let's go to our homepage. So let's say, so this is a new account. So Pinterest is just giving me a bunch of different suggestions and trying to like find out what I am interested in based on what you click on. So let's look at, okay, let's look at this picture. It says, keep watering yourself, you are growing. Okay, so when you click on a picture, it'll enlarge the picture and take you to the picture's homepage. So here you can see this picture is posted by Joey, but from Visual Corner. You can see she has 500 followers. You have an option to follow her. Okay, this is the name of the picture. So this picture does not have a description, just the name. There's also one comment, so you can see this person's comment. The person commented, I love this quote. And at the left here, top left, you have these 3 dots where you have an option to download the image. You can hide the image, you can report it, or you can get a code to access it later. And if you want to save the pin, you just click on save. Okay, hold on. If you want to save the pin, you just click save. And so I already have these 2 boards. So I can save it to one of my existing boards. So I have 2 boards, healthy recipes and art collage wall. So it gives me a bunch of different suggestions, happy words, word quotes. So if I create a new board called inspirational quotes, I create it. sorry, it'll give me an option. So this is my name of the board. It'll give me an option to keep my board secret. So if I click on it, no one else will be able to see my board. And you can also add collaborators. So you just search whoever you want to collaborate with by their name or email. And when you're done, you just click create. And your board is created. So now I will be going over. So if you want to access your boards again, you have to go to your profile. So as I mentioned before, here it says L. So it just takes like the first initial of your email, but you can add your own picture. So I'll go here. So here's my Pinterest board. So that's my logo, my profile picture. That's my name. That's my username for Pinterest. And it says I'm following 0 people. So here you can see, so this is where all your pins are. So it'll show you all the ones you have saved. Here is the board we just made, inspirational quotes. So it'll show you all the pins you have saved here. So if you go on a board, you can click on more ideas. So it'll give you more ideas related to this board. You can add notes and you can like organize it. Here with this plus option, you can add more people. So yeah, so these are all our boards. If you want to create a new board, you go to this plus option here. It'll give you 2 options, pin or board. So if you want to upload a picture, you click on pin. And it'll take you to this. You can upload a picture. You can add your title. You can add your description about your picture and a link. And when you're done, you just save it. And if you want to upload a picture from a website, so as I mentioned, yeah, so you just add the website link and you press done. Yeah, so now I will go back to my home page. So every time I click on the home button, it will reload. So if you don't want it to reload, I think if you click the back option on your computer, it won't reload. Yeah, so now I will be going over searching pins, so how you can search pictures. So this is your search option. It'll give me ideas for you. So it'll give like an option, the suggested option. So, and popular things on Pinterest, and it also has shopping spotlight. So let's say we want, let's just go with inspirational quotes. So so you just search that and it'll give you a bunch of pictures. Sometimes videos as well. So as you can see, this one's a video. Yeah, so this is a video. And yeah, so you can just search like that. So you can just go on it and here it is. You can also search accounts. So here there's this really famous Pinterest person who creates art drawings. So I just search their account. I can, so this is the person's name and it'll take me to their website. If you want to go on the website, and you can see down here, you can say this person saved it to Artsy. So Artsy here is their board name, and that's the person. And if I want to follow her, I just click on her account and I press follow. And yeah, so this is the end of our presentation. And if you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, visit our website or call that phone number to register for a one-on-one session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock Eastern Time on Thursdays. Thank you, everyone.